Next is two products of medicinal importance obtained from nature, digitalin and vinblastine. Digitalin. It is extracted from the foxglove plant, Digitalis purpurea. It is used in the treatment of certain cardiac problems, etc. Here, digitalin is a drug. It is extracted. Here, extracted means to take out from the which plant? Foxglove plant, Digitalis purpurea. Here, digitalin drug, where it is useful, it is used in the treatment of certain cardiac problems, etc. Vinblastine, it is also a drug, anti-cancer drug. Vinblastine, it is an anti-cancer drug. Vinblastine is extracted from Vinca rosea. From where it is extracted? It is extracted from Vinca rosea. Next is invasion of an alien species lead to extinction of native species. Native species means when alien species are introduced into a habitat, they run invasive and establish themselves at the cost of the indigenous species. Here, alien species means it refers to a species, subspecies introduced outside its natural past or present distribution, includes any part, gametes, seeds, eggs, and etc. are introduced into a habitat. Here, habitat means a natural home of an animal. They turn invasive. What they turn here? Invasive. And establish themselves at the cost of the indigenous species. Here, indigenous species means a species that is within its own natural range and occurs naturally in a given area or habitat. When alien species are introduced into a what habitat, they turn what here? Invasive and establish themselves at the cost of the which species? Indigenous species. Examples: Nile perch introduced into Lake Victoria in East Africa led to the extinction of 200 species of cichlid fish in the lake. Here, Nile perch means a large predatory fish found in lakes. Here, Nile perch introduced into which Victoria? Lake Victoria. In which area or a country? East Africa. Led to the extinction of how many species? 200 species of cichlid fish in the lake. Illegal introduction of exotic African catfish, Clarius gripinus, for agricultural purposes is posing a threat to the indigenous catfishes. Illegal introduction of exotic. Which catfish? African catfish. Clarius gripinus. For which purposes? Agricultural purposes. Is posing to treat to the which catfishes? Indigenous catfishes. Now next is sacred groups in India. First is Aravalli Hills. Second is Kashi and Jaintia Hills. Third is Western Ghat region. Fourth is Chanda. First is Aravalli Hills. It is located at Rajasthan and Gujarat. Aravalli Hills. It is located at Rajasthan and Gujarat. Second is Khasi and Jaintia Hills. It is located at Meghalaya. Third is Western Ghat region. It is located at Karnataka and Maharashtra. Fourth is Chanda. It is located at Madhya Pradesh. Next is full form of IUCN. Which book 310 species are enlisted? IUCN. Here IUCN stands for International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources. International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources. The 310 species are enlisted in the Red Data books published by the IUCN. The 310 species. Which species here? 310 species. 310 species are enlisted in which books? Red Data books are enlisted in the Red Data books published by the IUCN. Who published here? IUCN. It means International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources. Guys, by this we have finished important points or VSQs. If you like my video, please subscribe to my Easy Learning channel and share with your friends.